Hey, I'm Laura. Today I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how to apply your Colorstreet nail polish strips. Okay, so for this first trick I'm going to show you, it's for those of you who have narrow nail beds and you feel like all of the strips are too wide for you. I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean that up. So I'm purposefully going to put this strip on this finger that is too big for it. So you can see how I've totally missed my nail here, right? So the first thing you need to do is get all of the nail polish pressed well against your nail. Go all the way down to the tip here, and then you're gonna slide underneath and tear off all the excess at the end. Okay, this is step one. Then the next thing you're gonna do is start on one side. And so you want to be able to press it down well enough so that way you can kind of see the crease here for where your nail bed ends. So you can gently just kind of use your thumbnail and press underneath, and then just kind of go down the nail bed until it tears. So we have that side done, and we can just file this little scraggle off right there. The other way I'm going to show you, if you don't have a long fingernail to use, is using the file that comes with it. So all you do is one, press down so that way you can see where your nail bed ends right here on the side, and do the flat side and just kind of gently saw back and forth to tear the nail strip. And so then you just tear all the excess off right there. Now, we'll do it both ways to show you how to get it off of your cuticle here. So you can just kind of press it down so that way you can see where your cuticle is. And one way is to just kind of use your fingernail and saw back and forth until it gently tears. And you can lift that up. And then the other way is to use the nail file and just press down gently and saw kind of back and forth on the cuticle bed there. And so what we'll do is we'll peel it off here. There. Good. So we had a nail strip that was way too big and just grossly misplaced, and now it's a functioning fingernail. All right, so the second thing I'm going to show you is for those of you who have really wide nail beds and you think that the strips are too small. Okay, so what we'll do is we're going to get this first one on because I know that it's not quite wide enough for my entire thumb, right? So we'll put it all the way over on the side here. Okay, now when you have really wide nail beds and you're trying to do this double layer method, you do not want to use a solid or it's going to show the second layer. But all you do is get this pressed down really nice, and then over the tip, it just tears like that. You can kind of just file off this excess color here, and you'll get a second strip. Now I like to use the really skinny pinky strip, but I already used that one in this set. So you're gonna have to kind of overlap a little bit, get that down. And just like we cleaned up for those with the nail narrow beds, we're gonna do that today here. So we'll kind of cinch off underneath, and just like we did last time, you just press on the side of our nail bed here and get that excess off. We're gonna get this off of our cuticle by kind of sawing back and forth. And then right over here, we just have a little bit left on the side of our nail bed. So we're gonna clean that up, okay? So easy peasy, it's all cleaned up, and you can't even tell that we have a layer on top of another layer. So I hope that was helpful. I know that there's not a one size fits all for these nail strips, but I hope this is helpful for those of you who have nail beds that are really narrow or really wide, so that way you know that there's definitely ways to make Colorstreet work for you. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching with me. Be sure to join me on my Instagram at polishedpa for more tips and tricks.